Yeah, Lego magic, Lego magic, Lego magic. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're a viewer, thank you for viewing this video, but don't forget to subscribe. So today I decided to do head wrap tutorial using my old leggings. So you can see it's beautiful, right? Yeah, so let's get into this video. So these are my old leggings, and I like the fact that they have three colors here. They have black, they have charcoal gray here, and then white. So I'm going to fold these into two, and then I take it from the back or back, I don't know. And then I make sure I pull it here a little bit in front, and then make sure you close your ears. Me, I like to close my ears. I don't know others, but for me, I like to close my ears so that it gives me a perfect look. And then I tie it from the back. And then I fold it inside. You have to make sure you perfectly fold this inside. So you can see this is the finished look. How do I look, guys? This is beautiful, right? It's easy and it's comfortable. I like the fact that these leggings, they stretch, so they are very comfortable. They are not tight. Yeah, this is beautiful. So yeah, this is the first look, and then I'm going to show you the second look. You take your leggings and then you wear it up. Wow. So you want to show this black color. So here, and then you pull them back, and then you cross it over here, and then you tie from the back again from here, and then you fold. Make sure you fold it nicely and perfectly. Wow. This is the second look. Wow, it's nice. So, wow, what do you think, guys? If you like this look, tell me in the comments. Put it in the comments. You just type I like the second look. But I think this is my favorite because it's comfortable, and I think when it's cold and windy, I can nicely close my ears, and wow, look at the combination, the color combination. It's so perfectly. So yeah, this is the second look, and then I'm going to do the last look. This one is a bit difficult because this is very small, but I'm going to try to make it. Again, you fold. you fold your leggings, and then this one you take it from the back then, and then you tie here on the front. And then you just and then yeah, as I told you, this thing is a bit smaller, but it can stretch, so I'm going to try my best to put it together. Wow, what do you think, guys? It's a bit difficult because this thing is small, but it can stretch. But you see, at the end of the day, it gives you nice look. So if you like this video, please don't forget to comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's your girl